Welcome to Healing Motion Physical Therapy at our Corvallis location. We are located at 1128 Northeast 2nd Street in Corvallis, just north of downtown. This view would be driving north on 2nd Street from downtown. You will first see this building on our right, and that is not us. That is currently Willamette Valley Power Yoga. And then we are that far building to the right up there, and we'll speed this on along to where you'll park. So you may park anywhere to the right here. You could also park to the left, and then you'll go ahead and walk all the way up to the front doors under the portico there. So here we are in the main lobby, and you can see us on the sign here. We're suite 201, so we're upstairs. You may take the elevator, or you can also take the stairs, and so we'll head right on up the stairs. So here we are in our main lobby. That is our desk straight ahead there. There's the elevator that you would come out of. Here's the stairs we just came out of. And then so you'll cruise right on up to our front desk there, and one of our front desk staff will kindly greet you, get you checked in, and you can take a seat in the waiting room, and then we'll bring you into the clinic. So here's our clinic. We've got a treatment room in here with everything we need to get you moving better. And then of course the gym. I got a couple of our PTs on lunch. We have cardio equipment, any of the weights that you would need, including a squat rack, kettlebells, anything that you would need to reach your goals. And then we do have another treatment room in here as well, with everything that we would need to get you moving better. So that's our clinic. Hope you enjoy it and this helps you find it. We look forward to the opportunity to help you move, heal, excel.